Another day, another thing wrong with the Fiesta. Let's go fix it. First job's jack stands and wheels off. Today will be the first time I'm taking the bumper off this one, so we'll see how it goes. Job one is bolts down there, across there, and then probably these two as well. I'm going to try and avoid taking this one out, because we're just going to bend the arch liner back to get access to the screws that are under here. Here's a lesson for you: don't put your tools away wet like I have. Is that mould? Ugh. Okay, so we've got 1 corroded, 2 corroded, 3 corroded bolts to get out on either side, and that's what the folded back wheel arch looks like. Okay, this is not the video I wanted to make, but we've got the bumper off. It took an hour because we had to get the angle grinder out. So this is the culprit, and this screw had just lost its head. So we tried angle grinding it out. Trying to grind this screw out didn't really work too well, so I ended up cutting the top off here and just absolutely dragging it through the hole in the fender. You can see that's the square hole where these plastic screw receivers sit in the fender, and it's just been left in the bumper, so we're going to have to deal with that later. But the good news is I've got the bumper off, and I've gone ahead and I've taken this intercooler hose that goes all the way up into this butterfly here, and that's been fully removed now. And all of this has been in aid of replacing that pipe with this nice new one here that was 12 quid on Autodoc. Big shout out to those guys. This pipe had survived about 200 miles of temporary tape before it exploded through that gap there. It already split, and that's why there was tape on it. Not sure if you're going to be able to see inside there. But anyway, so this didn't come with the end here and here. I've already taken this one off and just need to bend this back so I can put it on and then bend it back over with some pliers. Same with the top end, probably give them a bit of a clean as well with some brake cleaner, and then we'll try and weave this back in. So now I have this clip to the top and that clip to the bottom. They're pinched on nice and tight, and we're going to try and thread that into the engine bay. And that is it. We've been out on a drive and it now pulls like a normal diesel Fiesta should, rather than having no power. So I think it's safe to say that we've solved the boost leak. That's it. Follow me on all the socials at Parks Cars.